What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So pretty much we continue the tear down on the auto swap Scion Frs. So as you guys remember from a previous video, I left everything tagged up, all the wiring that I need for the swap, but ended up with a conclusion that if I'm gonna be using the wiring specialty harness, which is a plug and play harness, I don't really need this. So what we're gonna do today is go under the car, unbolt pretty much what is under there, like the exhaust, the dry shaft. So there's a small oil cooler for the transmission on this car that it needs to be removed as well once we go under the car. I don't know if I should keep the oil cooler for the JZ transmission. That'd be interesting though. I don't know, let me see, because I don't know if the starter, is it on the way? I don't think so. I know we got plenty of space. Here's the race car. I just want to make sure that, you know, we should be able to do things a little easier because we already learned from this car. So oh, one thing that I figured out here, you know, this is actually the water temperature sensor for the FRS gauge. I'm very sure this actually bolt into the stock JZ water tank. Look how cool is that, you know? I mean, like I say, if we're gonna be running the wiring specialty harness, we don't need to do all this. But one thing that I really want to do is try to attach this throttle body from the FRS, from the FA20 to the 1JZ. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but that's what I'm trying to do for this car, because the electronic pedal actually work with this throttle body. So that'd be convenient, and I don't have to modify the pedal. Here's the plug and stuff. I might send these over, you know, to wiring specialty harness to see what they can do and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much, you know, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually unbolt the exhaust from this pipe and it just leave all of this here, so I have something to sit on when I put the motor on the floor. So yep, so these are 14mm as well. Release this too, we should be able to get access to our exhaust. All right, so got the two bolts on the back out. They were 12mm, and then we got this big one which is 14. This is the brace that actually holds this pipe in place. I'm very sure once I take this bolt out, this pipe should come down. All right, so got this big bolt out. What is holding this pipe is now this little brace over here. So you actually have to get in right, I don't know if you guys be able to see it, but it's somewhere, I already took one out, somewhere around here. You need to take out a two 12mm bolt that is holding the brace, and then after that this pipe should be able to come down. All right, so the mid pipe is out. Here's the hanger. You know, you have to have room to wiggle it around, so it just release this pipe because it was holding up from here. We need to disconnect the linkage from the shifter and the transmission. We're gonna have to keep this for the Auto JZ, so don't throw this out. All right, so the linkage is out. Here's the other end. I'm gonna take this one out as well. All right, so we got the linkage right here. Remember not to throw this out. I'm not really sure what is the measurement on the Auto JZ ones, but worst is in every case we could just do like a welding and just try to, you know, put that one and this one together, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. And then now we should be able to unbolt the transmission mounts. Alright, so pretty much making a whole mess here on the driveway. Apparently, you know, the transmission fluid, it wasn't fully drained out. So all the fluid is coming out from the back of the transmission where the drive shaft sits. Man, good that I have some super clean stuff. This stuff actually was sent over to me last summer, you know, to test it out. So this thing is actually working really fast. Look at that. It's absorbing every single drop that I mess in here. Oh my god, look at the mess. Big shout out for the team at the Super Clean, you know, for this product. All right, so I think the transmission fluid is pretty much done draining. I took out a whole bunch of it already, you know, before I actually attempt to pull this motor out. I don't know what's the amount of trans fluid that this thing holds, but it is a lot. Look at the whole driveway. Oh my god. Alright, so the whole motor is out. Man, look at that. That was pretty easy. The only frustrating part, I think, is the fluid. Look at all that mess that I just did. It's so annoying. I gotta clean all this stuff now. But here's the FA20. Man, how many space. I'm so excited with the swap. Just gonna go ahead and clean this up now, you know, making sure that everything is good. Clean the floor before I get in trouble. And then yeah. Oh my god, there's more fluid. Actually, this is the coolant. I have a little impression here that they actually overfill it, the trans fluid. I don't know, but it's a lot between water drop and what is in the bucket. Oh fuck. Now I just gotta look for space where to put this. I think I wanna bring it all the way to the backyard, but I don't know if I'm gonna fit it though. Man, space is a problem. I could just probably leave it here though, or I could just leave it here. But the thing is, if I leave it here, you know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, the FA20's out.
All right. What we got here? What do you got? What do you got in that thing?
That's
like
depressing.
1J Scion Frs. That's what it is. 1J and FRS. God damn, that's made my titty shake. Shing.
Shing.
All right, y'all. You gonna go to the water right here? Stay within the cones and wild out. Put that thing in first gear. What's going on over there? Tire's getting hot.